Ever wondered why cars look so beautiful when they are painted in different colors? Do you like furniture which is well painted and well finished off? Let me explain to you how that's all done. Surface coating is another application in which LPG or gas is actually one of the most preferred fuels. LPG or gas doesn't leave any carbon emissions or soot on the surface of the finished product which undergoes the coating process. So surface coating as an application basically means you are coating a metal either using powder or paint, applying it for a protective purpose or an aesthetic purpose to ensure protection and good aesthetics to the applied metal. LPG is used in the oven or a hot chamber in which the powder or the paint, after being applied to the metal, is passed through the oven consisting of hot air in a hot chamber and then gets baked or cooked so that the bond between the metal and the paint or the powder remains strong and long lasting. So if you are a part of the surface coating industry using gas for your powder coating application or your paint baking application or for any other surface coating application, we would be very glad to talk to you about upgrading your system to world-class LPG solutions that we can offer, best-in-class automation solutions and flow measurement solutions for gas or LPG that you use for any of your surface coating application.